Precision machining doesn't end when the CNC machine stops spinning. Now the real craftsmanship begins. What you see here is the fine detail finishing of various metal and plastic parts. These metal and plastic parts will become important elements of advanced laser systems. Here, the stability, alignment, and accuracy are critical. Even the smallest element imperfection can affect laser performance. That's why this step can't be rushed. Skilled hands check every edge, remove what doesn't belong and refine what does. Careful trimming, clean edges, perfect surfaces, every corner matters. Every micron counts. As you see, it's quiet work, focused work, but it's essential. In laser technology, precision is not a feature, but it's a constant requirement. And great lasers start with perfectly finished parts.